Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best wooden garland is probably one of the most charming and versatile holiday decorations you can find. Its rustic appeal and natural aesthetic instantly elevate any space, bringing a touch of festive cheer. Whether you're looking to adorn your mantel, staircase, or holiday table, this garland is sure to impress and create a warm, inviting atmosphere for your home. Number 5. Adler 9-foot wood beaded Burgundy garland. This garland is beautifully constructed. It's made with high-quality materials and designed to last for years to come. You'll love the way it looks. The garland is 9 feet long, making it perfect for decorating your Christmas tree, mantel, or any other space. It's long enough to make a statement. This wood bead cranberry garland is a beautiful and festive decoration. The cranberry color is perfect for the holidays, and the wood beads add a touch of rustic charm. It will bring joy to your home. It's a multi-use garland. You can use it to decorate your Christmas tree, mantel, or any other space. It's versatile and easy to use. This garland is from Adler, a trusted name in holiday decorations. You can be sure that this product is of the highest quality. It's a great choice for your holiday decorating needs. What we like. This garland is beautifully constructed and features a generous 9-foot length. Its wood bead design offers a classic, festive look. If you're looking for a traditional touch for your holiday decor, this is a great choice. What people say. The beads are a lovely red and reflect light well. The color is just like cranberries. And the shape too. Quality made perfect length. Nice deep red color and a sturdy construction. Number 4. Ornativity Cranberry Red Wooden Christmas Garland. Looking for the perfect Christmas tree decorations? This garland is ideal for adding a touch of rustic charm to your holiday decor. It is a great choice for your Christmas. Each bead is made of real wood, adding a natural and warm feel to your decorations. The size of each bead is 1/2 inch, making it perfect for any tree. The entire garland is 8 feet 6 inches long, providing ample length for decorating. You can wrap it around your tree or hang it above your mantelpiece. This garland can be used in various ways, such as around the Christmas tree or as table decor. It is suitable for both artificial and natural trees. Ornativity manufactures this item with care and quality. It is designed to enhance your Christmas experience and bring joy to your home. What we like. This garland uses real wood beads and offers versatile decorating options. At 8 feet 6 inches long, it's perfect for trees, mantels, or tables. If you like a rustic and natural aesthetic, this garland will be a great fit. What people say. The color, bead size, and quality are wonderful. They drape across the branches gracefully. They are the perfect size and coloring for what I needed. Number 3. Factory Direct Craft Burgundy Cranberry Wooden Bead Garland. This beautiful garland is perfect for adding a vintage touch to your holiday decor. Made of real wooden beads, it's designed to be used year after year. It's a classic choice for your Christmas decorations. You can hang, drape, or weave it to fit your needs. Use it to decorate your Christmas tree, wrap around a banister, or embellish a holiday wreath. The possibilities are endless with this versatile garland. The garland is made with durable wooden beads. Each bead is approximately 1/2 inch round. This ensures that it will last for many holiday seasons to come. This garland is 9 feet long, providing ample length for various decorating projects. It's perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any space. It will bring a classic vintage look to your holiday home. This garland will add a classic vintage look to your holiday home decor. It's a simple yet elegant way to enhance your festive atmosphere. It's a must-have for anyone who loves the old-fashioned Christmas look. What we like. This garland is designed for year-after-year use, offering a classic vintage look. With its 9-foot length, it's perfect for adding a touch of nostalgia to your holiday decor. If you are looking for a timeless decoration that you can use for many years, you should consider this one. What people say. The finish on the wood beads is very good. They have a mid-range sheen to them, definitely not a high gloss. The combination of the red and burgundy colored beads is beautiful and really helps them to look more realistic once on the Christmas tree. Nice size beads, and lovely color cranberry, not bright red. Number 2. 1 holiday way 9-foot red wood bead garland. This garland features half-inch dark red wooden beads with a shiny finish. It measures 108 inches long. It's perfect for adding a touch of rustic charm. The beautiful dark cranberry red wooden beads give a classic vintage look. It's ideal for holiday or everyday home decor. This will enhance any space. You can hang this garland on a mantel or wall. Wrap it around a balcony railing or frame a window. It's easy to decorate Christmas trees, doorways, and more with it. The classic red cranberry color complements traditional, vintage, rustic, or modern decor. It adds a charming touch to any room, such as the living room, bedroom, or entryway. You can enjoy it all year long. It comes in a 1 holiday way bag, ready for gift giving. You'll be able to display this gorgeous wood bead garland year after year. It can be used for crafting and is for indoor or covered outdoor use only. What we like. This garland embodies rustic farmhouse charm with its classic vintage style. The 9-foot length makes it ideal for various decorating applications. If you have a farmhouse or country-themed home, it will perfectly complement your existing decor. What people say. So easy to work with and looks great. Well made. They went well with my country Christmas decorations. We used it to decorate a tree for an annual fundraiser for the hospice. It provided the look we were going for. Number 1. NorthPoleXpress Cranberry Burgundy Wood Bead Garland. This cranberry Christmas garland is designed to look just like real cranberries. The burgundy beads will drape beautifully from each branch, creating an amazing icy effect. It's a great addition to give your rustic farmhouse ornaments an elegant touch. We made this cranberry burgundy garland extra long so you can cover every inch of your Christmas tree. You'll have plenty to wrap around your other natural decorations. This garland is perfect for wrapping your tree in and out. Besides decorating your Christmas tree, you can add a fresh, vintage, and rustic look to your tree. It's perfect for your farmhouse-themed Christmas tree. Use it on tables at Christmas parties, weddings, or any elegant decoration. Fill a glass bowl or canister with it for holiday table centerpieces. This wooden cranberry bead Christmas tree garland makes a great gift. Simply take it out and lay it from each branch to create an icy drip effect. The charming burgundy beads make an amazing and festive statement on your flocked or traditional alpine trees. It's perfect for hanging from chandeliers or mantels. We are a small family-owned business and take pride in every product. We want you to feel comfortable and happy with our premium products. What we like. This garland has a stunning cranberry look and is extra long, offering endless uses. Whether decorating your tree, table, or mantel, it adds a fresh, vintage, and rustic touch. If you like a vibrant and versatile decoration, it is a great choice. What people say. Nice color and beads were well painted. The darker red color was perfect to go with the rest of my Christmas decorations. Color matches, sturdy and look great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.